Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if every time you boot up Windows you end up in safe mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button and you want to select Task Manager, expand more details, and then select the File tab and then Run New Task. Type in msconfig, exactly how it appears on my screen, select OK. You can minimize out of the task manager, and then select the boot tab, and you want to uncheck where it says safe boot, select apply and OK, and you want to restart your computer now. Okay, there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that, and hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.